Health and well-being is important to our overall sense of happiness, and we know that a diet consisting of fresh ingredients is key. Juicing is the fastest, easiest and tastiest way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake, and is a great way to add a concentration of vitamins and minerals to your diet. But it's about more than just nutrition. Juice is delicious. Introducing the new Nutri Juicer Cold XL from Sage. It's the only juicer in the market that can extract 2 litres of delicious, nutrient-rich juice up to 5 times faster than a cold press. The quiet mode reduces noise by up to 55%, ideal for when you really need to be quiet. We've reoriented the waste bucket, creating a unique space-saving design which is a better fit for every countertop. Our cold spin technology produces less than 1 degree temperature transfer, ensuring optimum nutrition is retained. A handy juice nozzle attachment gives the option of juicing straight into your glass. The seal and store lid allows you to store freshly made juice in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, which means you clean less. Even harder fruits are a breeze with the commercial quality and performance you expect from Sage. Make juicing easy to fit in better with your busy lifestyle. The Nutri Juicer Cold XL. Nutrition made fast, easy and delicious.